Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating piece from the MIT Sloan Management Review, Philosophy Eats AI. It's a provocative title, isn't it? Intriguing, right?
Absolutely. It immediately grabs your attention. So what's the core argument? Is it about ethics, as one might initially assume?
Well, it's more nuanced than that. While ethics and responsible AI are part of it, the article argues that philosophy, in a broader sense, is fundamentally shaping AI development. Think about it. The very goals we set for AI, what we consider knowledge, and how we represent reality in AI systems, these are all philosophical questions.
I see. So it's not just about the ethical implications, but the underlying philosophical assumptions that drive AI's design and function? That's a pretty radical perspective.
Exactly. The authors, Schrage and Curon, point out that these underlying philosophical frameworks often operate tacitly, unconsciously influencing AI deployments. They argue that consciously engaging with these philosophical questions is crucial for creating real business value from AI.
That's a compelling point. But how does this translate into practical implications for businesses? I mean, how can a company actually use philosophy to improve its AI strategies?
That's where it gets really interesting. They suggest that by explicitly considering philosophical questions of teleology, the purpose of AI, epistemology, what constitutes knowledge for the AI, and ontology, how AI represents reality, companies can make more informed decisions about AI development and deployment. This leads to better outcomes and a competitive advantage.
So instead of just focusing on the technical aspects, businesses should also consider the why behind their AI initiatives. That's a significant shift in thinking, isn't it? It's almost like a paradigm shift.
Precisely. And the article supports this with empirical and technical evidence. It's not just a philosophical musing. It's a practical strategy for success in the age of AI. They even reference several examples of how different philosophical approaches have shaped the development of specific AI systems.
That's fascinating. I'm curious about the examples they cite. Do they highlight specific companies or AI projects that illustrate this point effectively?
They mention several influential thinkers in their work, connecting their ideas to the practical applications in AI. For instance, they discuss how different philosophical viewpoints on knowledge and truth influence the design of large language models. It's a really rich discussion.
This is a really thought-provoking article. It challenges the common perception of ACI development as purely a technical endeavor. It highlights the crucial role of philosophy in shaping the future of ACI and its impact on business. I think this is a must-read for anyone involved in ACI strategy.
I completely agree. It's a game changer in how we think about AI strategy. It's not just about the algorithms. It's about the underlying philosophy that guides their creation and application. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.